Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of ladder safety. Every year in the US, there's over 300,000 accidents involving ladders. 60% of those are a result of falls. In most cases, it's either using the wrong ladder for the application or using it inappropriately. So we're going to share with you the 10 tips on how to use a ladder safely. And the first thing is choosing the right ladder. There are 5 categories of ladders, rated at duty rating and weight capacity. And they range everywhere from a 1AA down to category 3 to light duty. So consider using this chart when trying to pick the right ladder for your application. Our next point is checking for damage and or any issue that may impede the safety of the ladder. So making sure that the treads are nice and clean and dry. We want to make sure that all the hinges and linkages are working smoothly and locking in place, and as well as that the feet are in good condition and well secured. So our next point is making sure that the person using the ladder has the physical capabilities to do so. So the person that's going to be using the ladder, depending on how much they need to carry or what they're looking to do, should be in good enough physical condition to be able to go up and down on the ladder safely, maintain a position, and do some lifting. So they need to have good grip strength and good overall health. Our next point is make sure that your ladder is on a flat and stable surface. Ladders should be placed on a firm and level surface for stability. The surface should be able to support the weight of the ladder and the person using it. So if your ground is soft where you're placing your ladder, you're going to need to reinforce that ground with either some wide boards or some form of attachment or bracing in order to keep that ladder safe. So our next point is making sure you're setting up in a safe place. So in setting up your ladder, you always want to be mindful of your surroundings. Take a look around, look to see if there's any power lines nearby, or if you're in front of a walkway, you may have to have an extra person or some signage put up. So no matter whether you're on an extension ladder or a step ladder, you never want to be leaning away or pulling backwards when you're on the ladder. It can definitely put you in a position of a fall. When working on a ladder, you always want to maintain a 3-point contact, and that is either with 2 feet on the ladder along with 1 hand, or 1 foot and 2 hands on the ladder. Very important. Our next point is only take small items up and down a ladder. Carrying heavy items will make it very difficult to maintain the 3-point of contact and can definitely put you in a position of a fall. So when setting up your extension ladder, you always want to make sure you follow the 4-in-1 rule, which is basically for every 4 foot of height, the base of your ladder comes out 1 foot. So do the math on however high up you're going, but use the 4-in-1 rule and you'll stay safe. Our last point is climb down cautiously. So the best way to come down your ladder is facing the ladder itself, keeping your 3-point of contact, and coming down slowly. If you follow all these steps, you're going to find that you're going to be able to work safe and definitely reduce the chance of having an accident in using a ladder.